Can't find a truck? Melloy has trucks. With 3 dealerships to choose from, we have a huge selection of trucks, including Ram 2500 and 3500s, Chevy Silverado heavy duties, and Ford Super Duties. Looking for F-150s, Silverados, or Ram 1500s? Yeah, we got those, including hard-to-find trims. What about mid-size trucks like the Ford Ranger or Chevy Colorado? Yeah, we got those. Just choose your truck, choose your engine, trim, and package, and yeah, we got those. Because Melloy has trucks. Melloy Ram in Los Lunas, Melloy Ford, or Melloy Chevrolet. Check our trucks out online at MelloyLosLunas.com.